Hi, you guys. I hope you're doing well. So, today we are going to study a new chapter that is a happy child. So, let's read this poem. My house is red. So, what is the color of the house? Red. And it's a little house. So, it's a very small, tiny house. A happy child am I. I laugh and play the whole day long. I hardly ever cry. I have a tree, a green tree. So, what is the color of tree? It's green. To shade me from the sun. And under it, I often sit when all my play is done. It's a very pretty poem. So, now we are going to do some questions and see that we understood it or not. So, let's begin. So first of all, we have these new words which we need to understand that what exactly is the meaning of these words. So the first word is cry. What is cry? Cry is an emotion. When I'm sad, I cry. You people might cry when you people are sad. So this is what that cry is. Next is day. Day is what? Day is a noun. Next is red. Red is what? It's a color. That is red color. Whereas what is sun? We all know what is sun, right? So it's also a noun. Now let's read. The sun shines in the sky. Here we have used this word sun, which we learnt here in a sentence. And the next is I have a red pen. What color of pen do I have? Red. So red is what? A color here. Let's move further. So here what I need to do is I have to read and match the words with the pictures, and I basically have to draw a line. So here I can see there's a boy and here I can see there's a girl. So he says that I am a boy and she says that I am a girl. So what I need to do is I need to draw a line from here to here to actually join it. And similarly, you people can draw a line from this word, that is the girl, which is written here, to this girl. And that's exactly how you need to solve this question. But first, let's erase all of it and let's move further. Now we are going to have fun with colors. In fun with colors, what we are going to do is we have to fill these boxes with the appropriate color. Now fill in the box with the right color. What is the color of the happy child's house? Now if I go back, then the color of the happy child's home is red. So here I have to color it with red. So I need to color this box with red. Whereas, what is the color of your house? So you have to color this box with the color which your house is of. Next is, what is the color of the tree? So as I remember, the color of the tree is green. So we are going to color it that. Whereas, what is the color of the sun? The color of the sun is yellow. So we need to color this box in what color? Yellow. So let's move forward. Now we need to talk. So, is there a tree growing near your house? Yes, of course. Like I do have a bunch of trees which are growing around my house. I'm sure you must also have. Tell us about the tree. Is it big or small? So, you need to tell me that whether that tree is big or whether that tree is small. You have to pick any one tree and then you have to tell whether that is small or big. Now, the tree which I can think of is of Ashoka, which is near my home, and it's a very tall tree. So, yes, for me, the first question, that is there a tree growing near your house, is yes. Whereas tell us about the tree, is it big or small? So I would say it's a big tree. This next question is, do you like the tree? What is the name of the tree? So yes, absolutely, I like the tree, and as I've told, the name of the tree is what? Ashoka. So let's move further. Now, we have this picture. So here it's let's share. There are many kinds of houses. Circle the ones you have seen. So it's that I have seen a hut, I haven't seen an igloo, I have seen a flat, and I have seen a bungalow. So I'm going to color these ones or like put circles around them. The dots are given, so I just join the dots and put circles around them. But I'm not going to put a circle around igloo because I've never seen it. And that's exactly what they're asking. If I have seen, I'll put a circle around them, and if I have not, I won't put a circle around them. So let's move further. Next is that I have to draw my house here. So my painting is very, very poor, but I hope you people have amazing drawings and amazing skills to draw actually. So you people can draw your house here, you can talk about it, you can color, and do all the amazing fun with your friends. So next question is, how do you feel? In this, what I need to do is, you have to read this question and then you have to draw the emojis, alright? What kind of emotion does that question represent? And then you have to write it down. So when you get a new dress, suppose you are happy. So you'll just put a smiley out there and then you'll say, I'm happy. Then when you get hurt, then you are sad. And you're going to put a sad face here and you'll just say that we are sad. And when you say that when you share your things, so when you share your things, you feel confident. So I can write confident here and I can put an emoji of confident. And when you're ill, when I'm ill, I feel so lazy, so lethargic, not well, so bad. So I can just put up an emoji, whatever emotion I want to say, and then I'll write it down here. So now the thing is that I know that you people might be, very much confused between the words, that whether I'm having what kind of emotion we people represent. So in that case, you can only feel two emotions, happy or sad. Not exactly feel, but you people can understand in simpler terms that we have to divide them in only two emotions, that is happy and sad. So when you share your things, then you feel happy. So you have to put a smiley here, like this one, which is drawn like here, this smiley, and you have to write happy here. And then when you are ill, then you have to draw this one, that is the sad one, and you can just simply write sad here. And this is what you need to do. So next is that you have to draw lines from the house to people. Now this is the house that is given, and you basically have to draw a line from this house to the people. So you have your grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, sister and brother. And this is your home. So you just have to draw what? You have to draw, yes. So you just have to draw lines from this house to these people. That's all you need to do in this question. Next is that you have to trace numbers on the dotted line. So what you need to do is, these are the dotted lines and you just have to trace, the numbers along with it like this. You have to trace them, and this is how things are going to be done. Like suppose this 3 is written. So you just have to trace these dots which are given. And you have to write how many numbers? 6 numbers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next, how many people live in your house? Now, in my house, there are around 6 people. So I'm going to write 6 here, or S-I-X, 6. And you have to find out how many people live at your place, in your house, and then you have to write the number here. Now we have to sing. Jack in the box sits so still. Won't you come out? Yes, I will. It's so amazing. Let's move further. In this question, what we need to do is, we need to join the dotted lines. That is, we need to join these dotted lines. They are simple curves and we can do this. So we have B and C and O in that. Now, look in the mirror. What do you see? Draw your face in the circle. So in this circle, you have to draw your face. You have to first of all look in the mirror and you have to examine how you look. And then you have to draw your face. You might color it and it would be fun. And similarly here as well, you need to trace all these lines. So here all these A's are there. So you have to trace all these lines. Next is that you have to collect picture of a cat, a cow, a dog and a sheep from old books or newspapers and paste them here. So you basically have to, collect picture of a cat, a cow, a dog and sheep, and then you have to paste them here. So for cat, you're going to paste it here. For your cow, you're going to paste it here. For dog, here. And for sheep, you're going to paste it here. Next, on the other page, what they are saying is, they are saying that you have to trace over the dotted lines and complete the monkey's tail. So this is the dotted line that is provided to you. So you have to just draw this dotted line and complete the monkey's tail. So the singing part is, monkey, monkey on a tree, swing, 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 swing. It's actually fun. Next is the following have lost their babies. Trace along the maze using different colors and find them. One has been done for you. So here there are animals and we have babies of these animals and they have lost it. So what we need to do is we need to trace them. Like for example, the cat is going to go like this and then this dotted part. You need to follow this path, and when you're following this path, you can see the path which the cat will actually take to get to her baby. And similarly, you need to draw paths for duck, for lion, for kangaroo, for butterfly, for cow, and for dog as well. And this is what you're gonna do. I hope you understood the chapter. I hope you understood all the exercises which you need to do. I hope you had fun. Thank you so much, guys. Now you can visit to any website and you can find all the amazing documents, tests, and content on all the other subjects available out there, on all the subjects of mathematics, of social sciences, of all the classes which you can find. Thank you so much.